my channel. My name's Stephanie here on YouTube, and if you like luxury, fashion, lifestyle videos, then you should definitely hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Also, just a quick side note, if you guys are interested in the extensions that I'm wearing in this video, I have a little link in the description box below with also a promo code, which I'll insert right here on the screen, that you can use to get 15% off your next order, and you can also see the exact extensions that I'm wearing with that link. So for today's video, I want to do a unboxing for the Just Clou Cartier ring that I recently got. I'm going to insert a clip right here actually of me doing the official unboxing, because I actually did this for one of my other videos for my birthday haul, where it had like the special wrapping with like the print on the sides and all that stuff. For this video, I'm just going to do kind of a review and then reasons of why I decided to go with this ring. So basically, this one, obviously you get this shopping cart or this shopping bag as soon as you purchase something from the store. So I got this, and then it basically just comes in this box. And when you open it up, it comes in another box. I feel like Cartier has probably the best like wrapping and just boxing of their items. I feel like it's so luxurious. And then obviously you just kind of pop open this, and here is the ring that I decided to go with. So I decided to go with the Just Clou small size ring, and I was debating between a lot of the different rings that they had in the store. So obviously I was debating between the bigger size of this one, and then I was also looking at the Love ring and the Love wedding band ring. Basically, when I tried the Love wedding band, I definitely thought it was too small for me, and I just didn't really like the way that it looked on my hand. So then I just decided to go for the thicker version, and the thicker version was nice, but I don't know why. I just feel like that style didn't really suit, like, I guess just didn't suit my like hand, like the style of my hand doesn't really suit that ring. So then I decided to look at the Just Clou, because I knew that was another popular ring that's been going on at Cartier, and the thicker version was nice, but it was definitely way too big for my finger, because I already have this double stack on my hand from these two rings that I got from Tiffany. So I feel like there was too much noise going on, so I decided to go for the smaller version. And as soon as I put this on with the ring my fiance actually gave me for Christmas, I thought it just looked so nice and put together, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I feel like there's different ways that you can wear it. Like, I feel like this is the standard way of wearing it, but I also kind of like wearing it like kind of upside down, I guess, with the design. I think that looks really cool too with the ring my fiance got me. I think it looks really pretty that way. So you can definitely wear it different ways, so it's nice and versatile. And I think another big reason why I felt more comfortable with paying the money for the Just Clou is because I did so much research on the Love ring versus this one, and I've heard so many bad reviews of how the Love ring, it looks really nice at first, but then there's like they're so prone to scratches. So I feel like if you're going to pay all that money and then it just like scratches and it's not as shiny as it was before, I feel like it's not really worth it. So I know when I was doing research on the Just Clou, that was like not the case at all. Like, it rarely scratches and it keeps its shininess. So overall, I just felt better about that. I was like, okay, at least I'm putting all this money towards something that will still look nice in the end. I also, now that I mentioned pricing, do want to go over pricing, which I'll insert on the screen as well. So this one that I ended up buying, the Just Clou ring in small, was $1,240, and that's without tax. And versus the other ones that I was looking at, her Love ring starts at $1,820, and that's before tax. And then the wedding band So the Cartier Love Wedding Band starts at $1,170. So I feel like that's similar to this price a little bit. I guess it's just, this one is like $100 and some change more expensive. And then the thicker version of the Juste clou ring starts, I believe it's like 2,000 something. The bigger Juste clou ring starts off at $2,500. So that one's definitely a lot bigger of a jump compared to the Love ring and the wedding band ring. So this one is actually probably the most expensive out of all the ones I was looking at. But when I think it comes to pricing, obviously it's definitely up to your preference. Like I would definitely suggest going to the store and trying all the rings that you did have on your wish list, just because, like, for instance, in my case, I really thought I was gonna come out of there with the thicker Love ring, but once I tried it on, like, I just didn't really like the way that it looked on me, and I ended up going for the Juste clou in the small instead. Another thing that I would definitely suggest too, and I might, maybe in the future, probably will buy the Love wedding band, because I actually tried to stack the Love wedding band with the Juste clou, and it looked so nice. It was like the perfect combo, honestly. So that's like another way too, if you guys didn't want to spend the money of like $2,000, almost $2,500 for the thicker Juste clou, but you know, wanted like a thicker look on your finger, I would definitely then just probably do something where you can stack it. You can save like a couple of like extra $100, because I thought that still looked really nice as well. As far as the items that come with it, as I kind of just showed you guys before, obviously you have the actual box and then the box within the box. So this one, and then you also should get a certificate with any items that you get from Cartier, which kind of has like, you know, your sizing. I don't know if it actually says what date that you got it. I think it does actually, so it can show which year it's from, and then the identification number for it too. Unfortunately for me, when I went, they actually ran out of the certificate, so they're actually just gonna ship it to my house as soon as they get more. So as soon as I get that, I will actually try to insert that into this footage as well, just so you guys can see the certificate. I won't show everything, obviously, because I don't really want anyone to steal that information, because there's a lot of fakes out there. So they usually try to take a real Cartier number and put it obviously with a fake one. And then I believe also you can get travel pouches too, or cleaning kits for free. Like I said, that was well, actually I don't even think I mentioned that. That was the first time I've ever been inside a Cartier store and bought something in a Cartier store. So I didn't really know that much that I could really ask the sales associate that was helping me, because it's not like I was close with them or had like previous purchase histories with them. So I think probably next time, if I was ever to buy something again from Cartier, I will definitely ask more about like the cleaning kits that they kind of give free of charge, or like the traveling pouches that also come with some of the items. As far as sizing, I don't think I went over that yet. This one I believe was a size 55, and I think it fits on this finger. This is ideally the finger that I wanted it to be on, the index, because I did want that stack look. It also fits on my middle finger as well, and then it's obviously a little too loose, but it can fit on my ring finger. It can't fit on my thumb though. So, but like obviously the most comfortable it fits on is my index finger, but if I really wanted to, it actually looks kind of nice to be stacked with the, I'll show you guys really quickly, the Tiffany ring that I have here. It actually looks really nice stacking with that too. So if I wanted to versatilize it a little bit one day, I can just put it together like that on my middle finger, and it's still secure too. That is another reason why I would definitely suggest going to the store as well, because their sizing is kind of tricky. So I feel like a size 55 I think is compared to a 7.5, and usually I feel like for my index finger, since it's the biggest finger out of all the fingers that I have, usually I'm like a size 9 or an 8, so I was kind of shocked to see that a 7.5 was able to fit. I have heard that the sizing for Juste clou, and well actually I kind of witnessed that too when I was at the store, the sizes that you have for Juste clou is different from the Love ring. So when I actually tried a 55 for the Juste clou, it fit, but then when I tried the 55 for the Love ring, it was actually too small. So I think you're supposed to go down a size for the Love ring, and then you can go up a size for the Just clou, because, did I say that right? No, I meant to say the opposite. So for the love ring, you definitely want a bigger size because it tends to run small. But for the Just clou, you can get a smaller size because it tends to run pretty big. I think that's pretty much all that I have for this little review in comparison to the love rings. I think the biggest advice that I would definitely just have, as I kind of mentioned, is just going to the store. I feel like the people there are very nice. They're not stuck up at all, at least the one by me, where they're super helpful and like literally let you try on anything that you've had like on your wish list or kind of just want to get an idea from, like in person. So I would definitely suggest just doing that. Even if you aren't ready to buy it right then and there, at least you can just kind of get an idea. And yeah, you'll just know for the future. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. I usually do a pretty good job of trying to get to every comment that someone has on my video. So if you have any more questions about this ring in particular versus the love ring, just let me know and I'll try to answer it for you. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.